sa inyo ng Santa Ana Park dito sa Naik, Cavite, bida sa karera.
It's a jump start beginning for Erica's jump from the outside. Forms follows function. Oh, Panamera is racing third. Terrible Marvin is racing for Blue Phoenix. Fifth, sixth, number 2. And this one is Starlock. Amazing Damascus. Erica's jump by about 2 line. Forms follows function in second. Moving up from the outside is Terrible Marvin, Panamera, Blue Phoenix, Amazing Damascus, and Tarlac is now running at the back of the pack. Erica Cham by a length and a half, followed by Forms follows function in second, and closing in third is Terrible Marvin. As they race the last 450, Erica Cham from the outside, Forms follows function to grab the lead. Forms follows function, Erica's jump, and in between runners is Terrible Marvin chooses at the inner rail. Forms follows function, the leader Terrible Marvin Bilateral, Erica's jump, and nearing the finish line. Forms follows function second. Erica's jump close with Terrible Marvin, Panamera, Blue Phoenix, Amazing Damascus, Tarlac comes last.